Good morning, everyone. Good morning to all the parents, teachers, and everyone who has joined this annual extravaganza. Dear parents, a few instructions before we begin with our event today. Please be seated throughout the event to boost and encourage the talents of our young students. Please refrain from unmuting yourselves unnecessarily as it may cause distraction to the presenter. Please do not raise hands or use any other features of this platform for the smooth functioning of the event. Last but not the least, let us keep all our cameras off so that there is no disturbance to the video presenting. Today is the big day to think of how far we have come and how far we have to go. Along with multifarious struggles and triumphs, there is much more to thrive and much more to show. Good morning, everyone. It is my honor to welcome you on this day where we will be celebrating our school spirit. I, Miss Paragisha, welcome you on behalf of Asti Nutan Academy family. We are truly blessed with your presence. Yes, you are right. This is the day which we have been waiting for a year. Because this time the wait was even more long, owing to what the people across the globe were facing during the pandemic. But nevertheless, our spirits are still high, our minds positive, and our hearts are filled with immense joy as we have gathered here on this virtual platform to celebrate our learning through this tough time. So let us begin. Dear parents, an event cannot commence without the national anthem. Let us stand in respect of the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you so much, everyone. You may take your seats now and we may settle. Saraswati Mahabhage, Vidye Kamala Lochane, Vidya Rupe Vishal, Akasi Vidyam Dehi Namostute. Like every other auspicious occasion, let us start this event by offering our prayers to Ma Saraswati and conduct our customary lamp lighting ceremony as a tribute to Ma Saraswati, the embodiment of knowledge. I would request our chairman, Sir, Mr. Kiran Patel, to kindly proceed with the ceremony.
Dear parents, after lighting of the lamp, I welcome all the parents and children on virtual extravaganza. We all are very happy to meet all the students through this platform. We have no alternative because the pandemic has made all of us away from each other. So we have no alternative but to meet through this platform only. When we go to the school, other day I went to the school and the school looked like a ghost place, because there is no noise, no children, and we are all missing all the children, and so are our teachers. But I can tell you one thing, our teachers are working very hard to teach your students, your children through the virtual platform, and I am sure most of the parents must be happy because we receive a lot of feedback from all of you. So we thank you for your cooperation. I have one small advice to give you, that now the vaccination has started, and private hospitals are also doing. So I request all parents to get themselves vaccinated, and also see that they all look after the children so well that they don't face any problem, and also increase their immunity by giving them good food. So your children will be hale and hearty. So let us wait for the pandemic to be over, so that we again start the school, and we enjoy the children whom we are missing so much, and our teachers are also missing them. So let us all hope that soon we overcome this problem, and we once again live our normal life which we used to live. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. One tree can start a forest. One word can frame a goal. One candle can wipe out the darkness. A true leader has a confidence to stand alone, the courage to make tough decisions, and the compassion to listen to the need of others is an art. Mrs. Nusrat Khan does not set out to be a leader, but becomes a special one by the equality of her action and integrity of her intent. The above quote said is very much filling to our Mrs. Nusrat Khan, our principal. You are our leader. You give motherly love, give fatherly confidence. Your endless care, guidance, and support prove that you are a great leader. We are blessed to have a principal like you. With a thankful heart, I invite you, dear ma'am, to speak a few words and grace this occasion.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the first ever virtual annual day. I called it first ever because in the history of Aspinutan Academy, this will be our first annual day on the 24th of March, 2021. So this is definitely a very special one. And I thank the Almighty for giving us this opportunity to host this so beautifully. This, I must say, is not just the efforts of the teachers. Definitely, they have done a tremendous job, right from the point of view of conceptualizing the entire event, to choreographing it, to sending videos. My shy teachers also went about dancing and showing their grooves and moves, and the videos were sent out. But all this couldn't have been possible without the untiring efforts of the parents. This annual day is actually choreographed by the parents. So congratulations, parents, because you've done a commendable job, and I am so very proud of you. This annual day is a very, very special one for all of us. Usually, I don't see the vibes of annual day in the school today. Everything is calm and quiet. On an annual day, it's just the opposite. This is the 8th year of the school. We started in 2015, the Aspinutan Academy ICSE section. It's been a long journey, and this journey has seen many beautiful shows, especially nursery annual days. There has not been even a single year that we did not host the nursery annual day. It's a yearly affair, annual affair, and the most beautiful one. Why? Because in imperfection lies beauty. This is one annual day where you might not see the perfect coordination on the screen. In all other classes, we ensure that there is coordination. Children are doing it perfectly, no hands going right and left. So there is discipline. But in nursery annual day, rules are slightly different. We allow them to groove and move at their own pace. So where imperfection, you see that on that stage, you see the beauty in that imperfection. Because children at that age need to reach out to a stage fearlessly. That is the objective of having this annual day. Unfortunately, this one event has been taken away from them due to this COVID-19 situation, or else all my kids today would have been on the huge, grand auditorium of our school, where they would have seen a large stage and a massive audience of 500. Nevertheless, such opportunities will definitely come in the future. But I'd like to thank you, parents, for having reposed the faith in us. It is because of your faith that we could continue with nursery. We started with 120 admissions, and many backed out in the whole process. People started backing out, thinking COVID situation was getting a little difficult on their pockets to bear the school fees. I understand the concerns. The numbers started dwindling, the numbers started falling down, and started the concern of the teachers who had the fear of losing their job if their class would not withstand the numbers that it was supposed to. But you, dear parents, had faith in us. You continued with us, and this matters the most to us today. Thank you for having that kind of faith in the institution, for having the confidence in the school, for having the respect for the teachers and the teaching fraternity. I deeply would like to express my gratitude, and I definitely fall short of words and if I have to thank you enough for this particular journey that you have had with us for nursery. Usually parents think nursery is not an important year. They feel nursery is just play and have fun and that's about it. But nursery, I must say, is one of the most formidable years of a child, because it is at this time the child learns socialization. Somebody asked me, ma'am, what socialization on a virtual platform? And I asked them back, didn't your child get opportunities to unmute and speak? At nursery, aren't the children confident enough of handling a computer and knowing the correct usage of it, not just watching YouTubes and playing games? Don't they know how to use gadgets in the proper manner today? So I think all this has come because they continued with nursery virtual online classes. And this, I see a large confidence in the children today. They know how to sit properly in front of the camera, to unmute themselves, to answer, to raise their hands. All of that is possible because the children could actually go through a successful year. I understand from the supervisor that we have hosted nothing less than 25 events and celebrations. So hats off to the teachers, a big journey in just a few days, I would say. We don't cover 365 days at all. But whatever little time, 210 days that we got with the children, I think we've covered it massively. And we've hosted most of the events successfully, never giving a feeling to the children that they are lacking something or they could have got something better when they would have been in school. I think the journey has been a wonderful one, definitely a most Herculean one, because from a chalk and talk method, we moved on to computers, to the mouse, to the screen. And it was all very new for us. At the orientation, I remember, this is my second address with you. The orientation, I told you, it may be just a few months till the government gives us permission. But how these months flew away and how these months turned into a year, we never realized. A lot of cooperation. Today, I would like to tell parents over here, you have graduated as successful co-educators. It is your co-educators' job that made the teaching, learning in nursery successful. A wonderful job done. We could only sit over here and tell you, please complete the worksheet. Make sure the child completes the work. Make sure the child participates. But parents went out of their way. I was watching a few videos of the nursery children, the way they have narrated, the confidence, the pronunciation, the voice intonation, absolutely marvelous. Very articulate. And this was possible because you parents were acting like teachers at home. So I'm proud to say that you all are teachers today. Yes, and you're graduating, my dear teachers and parents, from nursery to junior KG. God bless you all. Dear parents, I also would like to tell you that next year, we might continue for a few months till the government gives us permission online. But definitely 101%, I'm going on a hunger strike if the government doesn't allow my children to come to school next year. Jokes apart, but I miss them a lot. You know, as a principal, there are a lot of stress and storms that we go through. on a daily basis. The only solace I have is nursery, junior, and senior KG. Because you see innocence there. You see the beauty there. You feel you get a lot of happiness when you pass through the corridors, listening to the chirping of my young students. It's a privilege for us. We really miss them. I know the children have missed a very important year of the schooling, but be rest assured, you have my words. We will be covering a lot of nursery portion in junior KG as well, because we have not yet taught them how to hold a clay and how to hold a crayon. Okay, so we want to teach them. So a few parts of nursery will be reiterated in junior KG. So the children will not find themselves completely new. A few disciplinary concepts of walking in a line, sitting in one place, having socializing with your friends, participating in group activities, gross motor skills will also be taught when the school reopens. These are concepts that we usually focus at in the nursery. So for us, it's going to be a double journey, not just teaching them junior KG curriculum, but also revising the nursery. You have my words for that. So don't be worried. Continue the way you are doing. You're doing a wonderful job, my dear parents. And of course, my teachers have done their best to give up this show. It's not easy to put all the dancing tots together. To have the tots placed on one screen with one going left and one going right was a beautiful journey in itself. The IT team with the teachers have done an amazing job. We really hope you enjoy this, and we hope you enjoyed this journey and continue with us with the same faith that you have had in the past. I also would like to end with just a short story, Paragi. I know I must not talk, this is your show, but please give me 1 more minute. There is a story of Bumblebee, I'm sure you must have heard about it, where the aerodynamics, the principles of aerodynamics does not allow the bumblebee to fly, to take a flight because of the weight. But it fights, the bumblebee fights and it takes a flight. You know why that is possible? Because nobody went and told in the bumblebee ears, Bumblebee, you cannot do it. No one said that. Perhaps if someone would have said it, Bumblebee, you cannot do it, she wouldn't have done it. Nobody told, when people came and they told you, nursery education, don't do it, you like Bumblebee fought against it. You stood for your children and you said, no, even if it is virtual, we will do it. Your winners, parents, so are your children. And thanks to my lovely teachers, whom I am proud of and who have done a wonderful job, along with my supervisor, Ms. Reshma Chavan, who has been all the time on her feet. She has been coordinating with the parents, and I am sure you all have had a beautiful journey. If so, if you think what I have said is a truth, is a fact, I just want you to switch on your cameras and show me a thumbs up as a mark of understanding. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Yes, thank you, children. Oh, so sweet. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ms. Paragi.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for those truly inspiring words. So, dear parents, it's time we reveal the theme for our event. Wondering what it is? Keep your eyes on screen and keep on watching. Yes, let us begin with enjoying the show. So, let us start with the first act for the day. Ganesha, the Sukhakarta, the Dukhaharta, the God of wisdom, we pray to you to grace your halo upon us. Now, let us watch a soulful performance of our little munchkins who express their devotions through this dance performance. our cute little devotees on screen for our first performance for the day.
गन्नू सबका प्यारा है, यही दोस्त हमारा है। गन्नू सबका प्यारा है, यही दोस्त हमारा है। जो भी शुभ कार्य होता हमने इसे पुकारा है। रिद्धि सिद्धि संग में आए जिसने भी ये बोलिया।
Praise the Lord, come on everybody with me. Praise the Lord, come on everybody with me. Praise the Lord, come on everybody with me. Praise the Lord, come on everybody.
सब देवों में सबसे प्यारा दुनिया में मशहूर है। कोई दर्द मुसीबत आए हमसे ना ये दूर है। सब देवों में सबसे प्यारा दुनिया में मशहूर है। कोई दर्द मुसीबत आए हमसे ना ये दूर है।
हमें दे दे थोड़ा प्यार, हमको तेरा इंतजार। हमें दे दे थोड़ा प्यार, हमको तेरा इंतजार।
डरने की कोई बात नहीं, तब सर को झुका के बोले। उसके भाग्य जितने जिसके घर आता हर साल है। मन भावन दरबार है, सच्चा घर होता खुशहाल है। उसके भाग्य जितने जिसके घर आता हर साल है। मन भावन दरबार है, सच्चा घर होता।
इस बरस जो आया अगले बरस भी आ, हमें दरस दिखाया, हमें दरस दिखा।
जयकारा जयकारा बोलो, मन खुशियों से डोलिया।
लोकांगण वंदीन चरण डोळ्यान पाहिन रूप तुझे। प्रेमे आलिंगीन आनंदे पूजिन भावे वाळीन म्हणे नमा। त्वमेव माता च पिता त्वमेव, त्वमेव बन्धुश्च सखा त्वमेव। त्वमेव विद्या द्रविणं त्वमेव, त्वमेव सर्वं मम देवदेव। कायेन वाचा मनसेन्द्रियेण वा बुद्ध्यात्मना वा प्रकृतिस्वभावात् करोमि यज्ञं सकलं परस्मै नारायणायति समर्पयामि। अच्युतं केशवं रामनारायणं कृष्णदामोदरं वासुदेवं हरिं श्रीधरं माधवं गोपिकावल्लभं जानकीनायकं रामचन्द्रं भजे। हरे राम 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 हरे हरे। हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे हरे।
Wow, that prayer was definitely a cute one, right, dear parents? So now I am sure that dear Bappa will shower his blessings on all of us. Well, let us move ahead with our celebration for the day. The whole world has come to a standstill, and the reason is this pandemic. It has turned our lives upside down. These hard times are teaching us the value of everyday food items like fruits, vegetables, and groceries in our lives. They have become so valuable that nowadays they are not readily available. We are learning to manage ourselves with limited resources. We have learned to respect our farmers and the vendors who are bringing these essentials to our doorsteps. Every day, the selfless warriors are giving it their best in healthcare settings while cutting themselves off from their families and loved ones. We salute such heroes, and today's day is all dedicated to those unsung heroes who were at their forefronts even when the world had taken a back step. To begin with, let us see our toddlers from Nursery B honor the spirits of our farmers, tailors, and firemen in this majestic performance. So, dear parents, are you ready to watch this performance of our cute little farmers, tailors, and firemen? I am sure you are, so let us begin.
कुछ करिए नस नस मेरी खोले हर कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो जल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या मरिए हर कोई तो जल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या मरिए कूचों में गलियों में राशन की फलियों में बैलों में बीजों में ईदों में बीजों में रेतों के दानों में फिल्मों के गानों में सड़कों के गड्ढों में बातों के अड्डों में भूसा रोज भर ले 10-12 बार कर ले रहना यार पीछे कितना भी कोई खींचे बस है नाम है जी जिद है तो जिद है जी किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही बस करिए कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या मरिए हर कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे करिए या मरिए चक दे लड़ती पतंगों में भिड़ती उमंगों में खेलों के मेलों में पलखा की रेलों में गन्नों के मीठे में खच्चर में छींटे में ढूंढो तो मिल जाओगे सबका वही जो मेलन है आज निकले और खुल के आज निकले मन आए ऐसी होती रग रग मचल के बोली दस है ना मस्त है की जिद है तो जिद है की किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही किसना यूं ही मस्त है कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे तरिए या मरिए हर कोई तो चल सिद्ध पड़िए तुम पे तरिए या मरिए चल
Whoa, wasn't this performance truly breathtaking? Let us give them a virtual round of applause, dear parents. So now, dear parents, it's show time for you. That means it's game time. We hope that you have downloaded the Kahoot app in your smartphone. You have signed in using any email ID password, and now it's time to begin with our game. So parents, please take out your smartphones, open the Kahoot app, and get ready to enter the PIN. The PIN will be displayed on the screen right in a moment. The moment you enter the code in your given smartphone, they will ask you for your name. Kindly enter your entire name, your full name, when they ask you to enter your name. For example, Mr. or Mrs. first name and your last name. After you have entered your name, you will be asked a few set of questions. They will be flashed on screen. Each question have 4 options. You will have to choose the correct option for your smartphone. Each question will have 20 seconds for you to choose the correct answer. This is a game of reaction time. So the faster you choose your option, higher are your chances to come up on the leaderboard. So we'll wait for some time for many of you to join and then we will begin. Parents, as mentioned, please do not enter from your child's name. Kindly enter your full name to it so that we know who has logged in. We wait for 2 more minutes for everyone to enter and then we shall begin. Again, a request, parents, kindly enter from your name, your full name, Mr., Mrs., your first name and your last name. Last 1 minute for all the participants to enter and then we shall begin. Can we wait for a count of 50? Just 2 more participants and then we shall begin. Okay, I think it's about good time to begin. So parents, I hope you've heard my instructions really carefully. Questions will be flashed. There will be 4 options. You have to select your correct option and then get going on the leaderboard as quick as you can. So get ready and eyes on your screen. 3, 2, 1, and go. All the best. Which word completes this popular saying, which means a guest is equivalent to God? Dash Devo Bhava. Guru, Atithi, Pitru, Matru. Quick parents, we are waiting for answers. We have 30, 34, 36. Whoa, the number is growing. Quick answers, everyone. Okay, we still have about 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And the right answer is Atithi. I am sure most of you are aware of it. Let us see the first leaderboard now. Okay, so we have Mr. Dikshit Patel on top with Mrs. Ankita Shah at the second place and Mrs. Jankhana in the third. Parents, you can go up the leaderboard using the fastest way you can select the option. As I told, this is the game of reaction time. So come on, parents, let's move on to the next question. Which of these is a type of women's clothing? Padmini, Manbai, Jodha, or Anarkali? Oh, quick answers, everyone. Eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And the correct answer for this question is obviously Anarkali. Okay, so let's see the leaderboard now. Okay, look, we have shuffling in the leaderboard. We have Mrs. Jankhana on top. Great. Come on, parents, buck up. Time for the third one. Pongal is the popular festival of which state? Karnataka, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, or Andhra Pradesh? Tricky one, I feel, but let's see what are the answers. We have quick answers from all the parents. Super happy to see the response. Last 8 seconds. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. And the correct answer is Tamil Nadu. So Pongal is a festival of Tamil Nadu state. Let us go ahead with the leaderboard now. Oh, look, we have someone new on top, Mr. Bhavesh Bhatt. Great. Let us move ahead with the next question now. Identify the picture. Look carefully at the picture which will be flashed and you have to identify whether it is a wave, lake, mountain, or a drop. Last 15 seconds and we have 43 answers, waiting for a few more. Buck up, parents, come on, you can do it. 3, 2, 1, and 0. And this picture is of a lake, obviously. So now it's time to go ahead with the next one. But before that, we have the leaderboard on our screen and we have a consistent on top scorer, which is Mr. Bhavesh Bhatt. So let us move ahead with the next one. What are the terms 3G, 4G, and 5G related to? Population generations, digital cameras, phone networks, or grading in schools? I am sure majority of you are aware of it with the world being tech savvy this year, but let's see how many of you answer. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. The right answer is obviously phone networks. Yes, so let us see the leaderboard. Okay, we have some shuffling in the 4th and the 5th position, but great going, Mr. Bhavesh Bhatt, Sagar Shah, and Ruchuta Nimbalkar. Great reaction timing. Let us move on to the next one. What is grammar called in Hindi? Nibandh, Praha, Granth or Vyakaran? I'm sure all of us must have had Hindi lectures in our schools, right? So let's see how quick we can get answers. And I think we've already got answers from everyone. We're just waiting for the timer to get over. And 0. The right answer is Vyakaran. I am sure this was the easiest. So let us see the leaderboard. Can you see the answer streak of 6 with Mr. Sandeep Chavan has got? That means this is the 6th time that he has given a correct answer. Great going, everyone. Let us move ahead to the next one. Szechuan, Tabasco and Chipotle are all varieties of what? Ice cream, sauce, soft drink or salad? I'm sure the questions are not that difficult. You are definitely enjoying the quiz. 3, 2, 1 and 0. And yes, they are types of sauces. So now let us see the leaderboard again. Okay, again some shuffling in the 4th and 5th position, but the top 2 have secured and stuck to their places. Great one. Let's move on to the next. Which of the following is the folk dance of India? Kathakali, Garba, Mohiniyattam and Manipuri. Think wisely and select your answers. Again, a tricky question. Last 15 seconds. 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Whoa, it is our very own Gujarat's Garba. However, let me just give you a piece of information here. Kathakali, Mohiniyattam and Manipuri are classical dances, whereas Garba is a folk dance. So let us see the leaderboard. Oh, look, we have change in the leaderboard just with one question. We have Neeta Gala on the top. Now let us see. Come on, parents, you still have chance. Buck up. Cold brew, latte, espresso are all examples of which beverage? Tea, fruit juice, lassi and coffee. I'm sure we have beverage lovers here with us. So let us see who gives which answers. Zero answers? Nobody has given answers till now? Oh yes, we have the number quick. And yes, we have the right answer, which is coffee. I'm sure we have coffee lovers here with us in this meeting. So let us see the leaderboard. Okay, we have some consistency again with Neeta Gala on top. Great. Again, identify the picture. Look at the picture carefully and see whether it is a sword, matches, shovel or a brush. Pretty easy, right? We see these things every day in our kitchen. Let's see how quick we are in guessing it. Last 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Yes, obviously it's a brush which we generally use in kitchen. So let us see the leaderboard. Okay, we have someone else who's come on top, who is Mrs. Kajal A. Okay, that's all I could read. Okay, great one. Everyone else, come on, buck up. Last 4 questions to go, I guess. So let us move ahead. Which of the following is not the correct combination? Qutub Minar, Delhi, Taj Mahal, Agra, Ajanta Caves, Maharashtra, Char Minar, Lucknow. Think wisely and let us select the correct answer, parents. Last 2 seconds, 1 and 0. Yes, it is Char Minar, Lucknow. Char Minar is in Hyderabad, for just a piece of information again. So we have some changes in the 3rd and 4th position, whereas the 1st and 2nd are consistent enough. However, 3 in a row, Mrs. Pooja Bhatt is back in the game. That is what the game says us. So let us move ahead. Who invented telephone? Charles Babbage, Alexander Graham Bell, Rajnikant, and Hans Lippershey. It is simple though, I feel. So let us see how quick we get the answers and which answers do we get. Okay, all done. So yes, Alexander Graham Bell is the right answer, and let us see the leaderboard. Okay, so since when Mr. Sagar Shah was right in the second position, and finally he's on top. Great going, good progress. Let us move to the next one. 13th question, we have only 2 more to go. Identify the image and choose the correct option. Is it the galaxy, stars, sunset, or high tide? We have 10 more seconds to go. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Let us see the right answer. Yes, it was a picture of a sunset, and everybody answered the correct option. Great one, parents. Now let us see the scoreboard. Okay, consistent enough, Mr. Sagar Shah. Now, second last question for the quiz, and somewhere this will be the deciding questions, last 2. What is fenugreek called in Hindi? Methi, dhania, pudina, or palak? I'm sure you must be having a discussion amongst yourselves to see what is fenugreek called in Hindi. Okay, 3, 2, 1, and 0. Yes, it is called methi. Great one. 42 of you answered it correctly. Very nice. So yes, again, Sagar Shah on top, and we have a new one who is Mrs. Pankti Gada, which has come on the scoreboard. Great one. And last question for the day. So come on, hold your nerves and answer it. Identify the animal from the picture. Hippopotamus, rhinoceros, wild boar, or a bear. Which animal is it in the picture? 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Yes, it is a rhinoceros. Yes, parents. 36 of you answered it correctly. Yes, I can see you all got confused between hippopotamus and rhinoceros. Fair enough. So now it's time for the podium to come on stage. So hold your nerves and look at the podium. Third position, who have answered 14 questions out of 15 is Sandy Soni. On the second position, we have Mrs. Dimple. And the first place goes to Mr. Sagar Shah. Great. And we also have 2 runner-ups, by the way, who is Mrs. Pankti and Mrs. Kajal. So, dear parents, now, can I see the 3 winners on my screen, please? Please turn on your cameras. All the 3 winners, please turn on your cameras. Oh yes, I have all 3 right here. Great one. Great job, all 3 of you. So parents, can we have all your cameras on? Let us do some actions and give them, not only them, let us give all of us silent claps and good claps, right? Winning and losing doesn't matter. I think we had fun, did we? Oh yes. So, let us play a little follow me action over here. Yes, ma'am is also waving. Let us play a little follow me action over here, okay? Now, I have 3 types of claps or 3 types of applause which I'm going to show you. One is the silent clap, which all of us generally do. Then I have a wave. And then I have soundless clap. So, I will be doing that action and you will be following that. Agreed? Understood? Okay. So, we also have some surprise for the 3 winners waiting. So, meanwhile, let us applaud ourselves and just, pat our backs by doing these actions. So, look at me carefully and let us begin. Okay, I am sure that you all have enjoyed this, and we have been doing with the children quite often, right? So you have definitely got a hang of what we do. Anyways, great job everybody, and I'm sure you enjoyed the game. If you did, I want to see some thumbs ups on the screen. Yes, Please, it is done. Okay, and Himda teacher, can we have the surprise on screen, please? And now for the big surprise, I would also like to invite our principal, ma'am, Mrs. Nuzhat Khan, to kindly virtually felicitate the winners with a virtual certificate. Ma'am.
So on the third position, we have Mrs. Sanvi Soni. Mrs. Sanvi Soni, heartiest congratulations to you for this lovely gift that you have got, virtual certificate. But don't worry, we'll print it and we'll give it to you when you come for the report card as well. So congratulations, Mrs. Soni. The next in line, we have on the second position, Ms. Dimple Jet. Congratulations, Mrs. Dimple. Well done. It's a great feeling when I see moms and dads so enthused about these things. It's wonderful. It's really sporty. Congratulations, Dimple. The next and the hero of the show, I would say, the one who has bagged the first prize, is the father of two lovely kids. That is Mr. Sagar Shah. Congratulations, Mr. Sagar. Wonderful. Congratulations to you. And I can see all the happiness in the family where everyone in the family is watching it together. It's a great feeling. Congratulations, sir. Thank you, Miss, for the opportunity. We will certainly be giving the hard copies of these to the parents at the time of open house. Congratulations, everyone who has participated.
Thank you so much, ma'am. As ma'am rightly said, congratulations to everyone, because it's always the fun that matters and not winning or losing. So we hope that you have enjoyed the game. So now let us proceed ahead with the celebration. Even in our dreams, we could not have imagined ourselves sent to our homes with no outings and unable to meet our friends and relatives. We were forced to stay indoors, and more than us, this situation had a massive impact on our dear little munchkins. Here comes another group of heroes without any awareness, promotion, and recognition they deserve. Yes, you guessed it right. It is you, dear parents. The lockdown has made us appreciate our parents, who usually work day and night to fulfill our reasonable and unreasonable demands and never complain. Spending more time with them gave us an opportunity to understand them and to learn what quality time is. Life is not only about studies, TV, and games. It is about sharing and standing with each other during any phase of life. This year is totally dedicated to your support and cooperation. We cannot thank you enough for the immense support that we have received from you. So to express this gratitude, we welcome our young talents of Nursery Day. Get ready to see a mini version of yourself on the screen, dear parents.
Okay, now listen up. We're gonna tell you a story. A story about four guys. Ka, Ra, Ma, and Pa.
ये
मेरी दुनिया तू ही रे, मेरी खुशियाँ मेरी खुशियाँ तू ही रे। रात दिन तेरे लिए सजदे करूं, दुआएं मांगू रे मैं यहाँ अपने लिए, रब से तेरी बनाए मांगू रे। हम लोगों को अच्छा इंसान बनाया, जिंदगी है तेरा साया, अनजानों को सीधा रास्ता दिखाया। नहीं एक रोशनी ले आई है जीवन की राहों में, हर घड़ी गुजरे तेरी सारी उम्र अब अपनी बाहों में।
What a foot stomping performance! Our little hearts have created magic with their feet, which was an easy crowd pleaser, I must say. I am sure, dear parents, these cute little mamas and papas have left you awestruck. If yes, let us give them some silent claps. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. During the current crisis, it is the doctors, nurses, policemen, and the teachers who have put their lives on the line to ensure that we as a nation are protected and cared for adequately. We thank the COVID warriors relentlessly fighting an invisible enemy. Here is our small tribute to the brave COVID warriors. Words fall short in describing the unwavering dedication of our COVID warriors. Their commitment is inspiring, and we salute their tireless efforts and undying spirits. So here we have the tiny dots from Nursery C. So dear parents, the little warriors are all set to show you their performance. So brace yourselves for the last act of the day.
चलो मिलकर एक शुरुआत करें, चलो एक फैसला आज करें। मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे। मास्क नहीं तो टोकेंगे, कोरोना को रोकेंगे। चलो एक इरादा करते हैं, चलो कुछ वादा करते हैं, चलो मिलकर साथ संभलते हैं, नई सच्चाई में ढलते हैं, सबको
शहरों में रौनक आएगी, फिर से गाँव में लौटेगी हंसी, फिर से साथ सारे प्यार होंगे, ना होगी पाबंदी, ना रोक ही कोई, फिर से सड़कों पे सपना चेंगे, पटरी पे पहिए भागेंगे, गूंजेंगे खेलों के, बांटेंगे हम खुशियाँ, गम भी हम मिलकर बांटेंगे, फिर से होगी सपनों की उड़ान, जो साथ दे दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, जो साथ दे सारा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा 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 इंडिया, फिर जीत जाएगा इंडिया, फिर मुस्कुराएगा इंडिया।
These little dance champions surely gave us the mantra to stay happy and to smile, whatever may come through our way in life. We hope that the day would come soon when we will be able to open the gates of the school and welcome you, dear parents and children, back to our second home, our school, Aspi Nutan Academy. This year truly brought all of us together, just the way a family comes together. We stood with each other through thick and thin, danced our hearts out during celebrations, and had fun and laughter listening to our little children speak through this virtual world. Thank you for supporting us and being with us. To express this gratitude, I may now invite our supervisor, Ms. Reshma Chavan, to extend a vote of thanks.
Thank you, Paragi teacher. I, Ms. Reshma Chavan, supervisor at Aspi Nutan Academy, deem it a great honor and privilege to propose a vote of thanks on this memorable occasion. Once a great man whispered, feeling thankfulness and not expressing it is like wrapping a present and not giving it. So today, I take the opportunity to put all my gratitude into words. Let me first of all start by giving glory to the Almighty God for making today's occasion a resounding success. We have been fortunate to be assisted by our principal, Mrs. Nuzat Khan. You have been a constant support and you have given us a lot of encouragement. Thank you so much, ma'am. I also extend thanks to all the teachers for their enormous cooperation organization of this gala event. Events like this cannot happen overnight. The wheels start rolling weeks ago. It requires planning and a bird's eye for details. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated team of our school who know their job and are result oriented. I cannot thank everyone enough for their involvement and their willingness to take on the completion of tasks beyond their comfort zones. I owe special gratitude to the non-teaching staff who have worked hard to ensure that this occasion becomes a memorable success. Last but not the least, I thank you, dear parents, for your cooperation, hard work, and support in making this function a successful one. Once again, I thank one and all present here. Over to you, Ms. Paragi.
Thank you so much, Reshma ma'am. And dear parents, it's now time to rise in respect of the national song.
वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् सुजला सुफला मलयज शीतला सस्यश्यामला मातरम् वन्दे मातरम् शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनी पुल्लकुसुमित द्रुपदलशोभिनी सुहासिनी सुमधुरभाषिणी सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरम् वन्दे मातरम्
Thank you so much, parents. And we have something for you, parents. We hope that you have enjoyed the show and obviously had a good time watching our Tiny Thoughts first ever virtual annual day on screen. If yes, can we have all our cameras on? Give a big smile, thumbs up, silent claps, whatever you wish for, and let us take a nice happy picture together as a memory for lifetime. Let's cheers, say cheese or whatever you wish to. It is such a pleasant sight, ma'am, to watch the entire family enjoying the show together, along with the grandparents, parents, the children. We are very blessed and thankful for everything. And yes, we may now start exiting the meeting. Thank you so much.